Right, so we've got some amazing news, the best news ever. Oh fuck hell, I'm gonna die. So last night, I won a lottery. I mean, it was a sort of £2.80, but I still won. So it's a sign to put on more lottery tickets. I don't make the rules come to me. Okay, nearly crashed into me, we won't talk about that. Everyone, loads of people said to me, oh, you got a pilot's license, it must be dead easy to get your driving license. Oh, yeah, but mate. Clear life, clear rhyme. Hands on the power, heels to the floor. I know that person. It's Ginger. That means we're friends. I don't know. It's just Ginger, and you know, gingers stick together. Good morning. So doing something because I'm absolutely bored on this furlough bollocks. So I recently got a brand new phone. Also got a new car as well. Fred died, so I had to get the new one. Right, so I recently got a new phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the bluish colour. So first, we've got a picture of me and my girlfriend. Yeah. So this is the homepage. Got a picture of a plane. We've got Uber. I don't actually use this anymore because now I drive. But if we look at my overall trips, I spent over like 400, 500 quid on it. Uber Eats, always on it. You're always ordering food because lazy to cook sometimes. FaceTime, don't really use that much anymore. I have no friends. WhatsApp, yeah, know what it is, don't you? Photos, camera, the basics. The weather app, which is, it's got better. Yeah, settings, snappy chatty, Instagrammy. Don't know why I'm saying it like that. If I go like this, I'm trying to keep a theme at the moment on my Instagram. I'm trying to keep blue. Can we notice that? Like, you should follow me. Just a little hint. Yeah, trying to keep blue while I'm going to travel. Then we've got Forex Pro. This is for the stock markets. I'm investing in penny stocks right now, and because I'm too much of a, I don't want to go into investing loads just yet. I will do, but not yet. I don't trust myself. So I'm investing in penny stocks, and I've made £6.91 profit of what I'm invested in. If you look at my portfolio, I'm investing in travel companies. Investing in EasyJet, I've made 70p profit. This keeps fluctuating. EasyJet, the stock market's closed on the weekend. But if we look at this, and then you got when March hit, the stocks just went ta-da. The one that's making me the most is Delta, at £5.15. Hello. This One Life Healthcare was at £3 the other day. I was at £10 profit, but I'm just not anymore. Got Gmail with all my emails on, blah blah blah. And we have shops. I don't like shopping. I like to save my money, I hate it, but we got Amazon because you order one thing and then next thing your cart's full of £300 of stuff, and then you just don't know what you're doing with your life. They got Auto Trader. Never ever buy a car on Auto Trader. I just go to compare prices with every single place before I buy a car. They got Gymshark. It's a pointless app, no offense. I love the clothing brand, but the app's awful. Foot Asylum, I'm always on there looking at what I can buy because I'm just odd. Tesco Club Card, I only get my petrol from Tesco. I will not get my petrol from anywhere else because I just like the points, and I'm signed out. Costa, I have about £5 on there, and I don't even like Costa. Normally it's when Living Autumn drag me to Speak Retail Park for the Starbucks, and then they go, oh, Costa, and then that's where that comes from. Mainline menswear, this is just for shirts. I have an obsession with shirts. If you know, JD, I hate JD. I think it's just scruffy. Some stuff's nice, but it depends what mood I'm in. If I'm in a loungewear, but depends. Petrol prices, just compares petrol prices. It's not really a shop, I just got stressed. Everything's logged me out and it's stressing me out. So yeah, it just compares your prices, so of the cheapest ones. And obviously Tesco is not the cheapest one, but I will still continue to go with Tesco anyway. Then we got Red by Duffy. This is just for the like duty frees in the airport. The airports do like 20% discount for staff sales, but it was only for December. But with this app it's a 5%, and I'm always buying stuff in duty free. Popcorn Pass. This is for when I was back in high school. You get discount on like cinema tickets and all that stuff. Subcard. Airport. I will not get a Subway if I'm not in the airport. It's too expensive. Discount. Superdrug. And Boots. I'm obsessed with Boots. Like, it was £40 a point to this before Christmas, and then Christmas come. And then tore it away. Just Eat, same as Uber Eats, always on it, always eating. And Champions Pizza is for the win. It's literally the only place I order from on Just Eat, and Witness, because Witness is boring. Pilot. Oh my god, there's a dog! There's a dog! Got E69B. This is more on my iPad. I don't really use this on my phone. It's more of like a flight planning and performance sort of app sort of thing. So I don't use it for the weather. I use it for more wind sort of stuff, and calculating the weight of my aircraft with like my weight, passenger weight, baggage weight, just so I'm all in the right compartments of weights. And I don't want to be crashing and dying. Got my lightning app. I was going to download, but anyway, it just tells you when there's a lightning strike or in your area, and it's boss in summer. Like, it's the best app during summer, because obviously in summer you get a lot of good weather, and then your meteorology life, and then it goes. You get a lot of electric build up. Oh my god, that dog was actually out for 30 seconds and it's going back in. No lightning nearby, but that. Why am I showing it? You see it anyway. Then we got Sky Demon. You don't need to know. PPL Tutor was the best app ever during my flight training. It was boss. Got me through the exams. Learned the knowledge. I'm now signed out. That's great. Windy. Yet again, I use it on my iPad now. Don't really use it on here. Boss for checking the clouds, temperature, everything. It's so accurate as well, and you can see your little forecast as well. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It's my life. Ta-da. Storm Radar, I use different weather apps, as that's not obvious. I like to know how accurate they are. Normally they all do like add up quite a bit. So this one's only just for really the weather, like the rain and the storms. So it's kind of so we've got a bit of bad weather coming our way later on today. That's upsetting. Hours and thing. This is because I can't do the mental maths in my head to add up hours and time. I can add up numbers, but when it comes to time, I can't. And this is only for me logbook, so I'll be like adding 1 hour plus 526 plus 952, and then it gives you 16 hours. That's just for me logbook, because I can't do it mentally, and I get stressed and then end up getting angry and then don't talk to me. Then we've got Utter Weather. Yeah, again, I mainly use this on my iPad now, but it's good for checking in the morning. It gives you the METAR, TAF, and you can decode it raw. It's amazing. It's the best app ever for checking the weather quick and accurate. I got RB Logbook. This is just my logbook on my phone. This I've not been able to fly much because of these lockdowns. You get out of lockdown and you put you back in a lockdown. Now I'm out of currency and now I just want to go flying. I know, it's horrible. Absolutely horrible. Then we got Buddy. This is a brand new app made by my flying instructor that I had, and it's honestly really good. I was in the beta of it, but now I'm thingo. So it's like PPL Tutor, but better. Highly recommend. That link will be in the description when we're up to. Health and fitness. Most of the apps I've just hid, I'm gonna be honest. Activity tracker just tracks how many steps I've done. I wouldn't have done many. That's a lie. I've literally just got out of bed before. Here I am. How many did I do yesterday? I need shooting. I need to go back on my walks. Abs and core. Don't really use this anymore because I'm now all about Keep. And Keep is amazing because every time you log in, do your workout, and you get coins as well for it. So it like pays you in coins to work out. And that way, it's great, that, isn't it? Extras, I hate it with a passion. Airbrush, I just want to make my teeth whiter. I hate my teeth and I hate my life for hating my teeth. Amazon Alexa, this is, I only have this app for when I'm on the toilet and Rihanna's at my house. And then I'm like, hi, and then it's funny. Bet365, do not have an addiction. I'm always right. I'm betting against Liverpool. Oh my god, they win and they win and they win, and then I'll bet on them to win and they'll lose. GoPro, just for connecting me GoPros. Travel, British Airways, crap airline, love them. Arriva bus, don't need that anymore. EasyJet, I've been offered cabin crew with EasyJet. Am I going to do it? Absolutely not. Flight Radar 24, space in these days and age because of lockdown. Yeah. Jet2, my favourite airline. Hilton Honours, I'm always staying in Hilton's. I absolutely love the accounts. Yeah, they're the stays I've got coming up anyway. That's my team member rate for Hilton, so I get the discount. Ryanair, also boss. The trains. Virgin Atlantic, I'm always looking for when I want to go Florida or New York, and they'll be the people who fly with. I'm always looking to get away because I hate the UK with a passion. Trainline, it's just cheaper than National Rail. Trivago, I like to look at hotels. I'm gonna be honest. I like to know. I just like to. I hate the UK. LinkedIn. I think everyone should have a LinkedIn profile, especially if you want a career in life. Everyone should have a LinkedIn profile, especially in the job. Like, I've connected mine to the airport, so I get to see people who I work with at the airport. My business, this is just for the website to run. I can log on and see how many stats I'm doing, like in a month, with like 12,000 views. That sort of thing. That's just for the websites that I run. My shift planner, pointless right now. I'm on furlough. We won't talk about it. It should be my day off today. Withdraw money from Bet365. Google Translate. I don't use this now. Apple's got a better one. Wix. This is just for some websites I run, and I get to see how what I'm doing with the money, etc. Like, made £2,200. YouTube Studio, just to view my analytics and reply to some hateful comments. Numbers, pages, don't use. Find my iPhone, I use that a lot. Halifax and Santander, just me banking, just to keep track of the financial situations with the hundreds of savings accounts which I have. AdSense, check the money. Facebook, always on it. RCR Connect, that's just the finance company for this car, paying back monthly. I put a £2,000 deposit down for this car. If you don't know what car it is, by the way, it's a 2018 Renault Clio. Google, I prefer Google to Safari. Google Maps, always on it. As I'm like, where's this, where's that? And I'm like, always on it. Facetune too. I don't know what I use this for. I don't really use Facetune. Outlook, that's me work. It's email. That's Liverpool Airport's email. Lightroom, I use this on my Mac now. This is just for quick and easy when I'm out to make stuff blue for my Instagram. Look at that. Premiere Brush Pro. I just use this for my Instagram story mainly if I want to make something look brighter. Facebook Messenger, Sky News, dramatic. Yeah, someone's died, I bet, yeah? Loads. Someone's died somewhere. They always do. NHS COVID-19. Do you want to go Mackies? Scan yourself in now. It's a joke. Twitter Twatter. I'm always on it. One of my videos blew up on it. Translate, this is the app I was talking about. Apple released it and it's so much more accurate than Google Translate. Honestly, you don't understand. I'm always using it in the airport. I was like talking to me like, and then I'm like, whoa, go. Do you know what I mean? And I got clock. And then when you do have a lot more apps, they're all just hidden because, oh, this is a boss app, I always play it. Dirty game, it's weird. Anyway, enough of that. So yeah, that's on what, and I have this case as well, which my friend Jess made. She has an Instagram page, I'll put in the link as well. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video. I'm bored out my head. I know it won't go anywhere, and you know what, deal with it. Okay? Alright, I'll see you when I'm back at work or flying a plane, because I really want to go flying. That's what I want this channel to be, me flying or travelling, and I can't do any of that. I know, I'm sad as well. Right, so make sure you like, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you tomorrow.